Okay, so it is my birthday today and I'm taking on a solo trip to Yilan where I've always wanted to visit. The sole purpose of this trip is to stay at this Airbnb that I saw on Instagram and I've been wanting to visit. Since my birthday is coming up, I thought it is a perfect chance to visit this Airbnb. Yeah, I want to take this chance to really get away from the city, from the crowds. I am having Korean pears for breakfast. I mean, you hear that? Okay, yeah, so before I embark onto my journey, I had to take out the trash. Now it's done and let's go. This is the train we're taking. So I have just arrived and the weather is amazing. I'm now waiting for the Airbnb host to pick me up. Turn this down so I can give you a little room tour. Here we go. Okay, so I'm so excited right now. When you first enter, this is what you see, the living room. Ta-da! So this is a complete open space. That's the bedroom. We'll get there very soon. Just give me a second. So right next to the living room is the kitchen kind of area. I am loving this raw cement. And this is the outside of the Airbnb. I'm also digging using the hemp as curtain. I don't know, it looks nice. The sink, they also have drip coffee here for your pleasure. The aroma infuser. To the left, you have the bathroom and the bath. I came here for the bath for sure. I'm kind of talking softer now because right there outside it's like public area. That's me. Hello. I got all the space all to myself and I get to pee with the door opened. What? Okay, I know this is maybe kind of too rustic for a lot of you, but I personally love it. I am digging this whole space. I think the open space is like amazing. And now we're heading into the bedroom. I got the room that has two bedrooms. This is bedroom numero uno and due. The mister just asked me how am I gonna spend my birthday. I said I'm gonna be just chilling in the room, doing absolutely nothing, and I'm just gonna enjoy the space and time all to myself. Well, I think this is a great idea for a living room. You just use crate, put a cushion on top of it and a couple of pillows, a rug, more crates, and a TV. I love it. I love it. I gotta find better lighting. Okay, so this Airbnb came with breakfast, which is for tomorrow. I was gonna order Uber Eats, but there's nothing on Uber Eats. Because I kind of don't feel like stepping out. Once I'm entered this room, I just want to stay here until I check out tomorrow. There's nothing on Uber Eats. I haven't eaten anything today other than the pear as breakfast. So what do? I mean, they have cookies here. One thing about traveling alone is that you can never figure out the eating situation because like you're by yourself. Quinoa mushroom rock salt crackers. Oh, by the way, they have roosters out there, like 11 of them. Yeah, so I might wake up 6 in the morning. I think I'm gonna make myself some tea because why not? I don't know about you, but I'm loving this cabin situation right here. Or anything, you just bang, bang, bang. use Joyce account. Shit, everything's in Mandarin. Going to watch this Japanese TV show. Okay, I just put up my jumper. Okay, brighter, better. This will do. Let's go get some food. You may not know this area, but in every tourist area there is an old street which takes you to all the food. These are the other rooms.
所以你就是骑在老街嘛？
对啊。First thing first, I can't help myself. I told myself I want to cut down sugar and stuff, but hey y'all, I'm on holidays and a girl can live, right? I actually really liked dumpling, but the store was really small. Even before I started eating, crowds started coming in and the store was so tiny, it started getting really uncomfortable, so I had half of my portion and then I have them to go. That's one thing I don't really like about traveling in Taiwan, because all the famous restaurants are so tiny. But I feel like the stores usually have really bad management. Like I'm not even talking about the service. You know, like the whole shebang is poorly managed and I hate it. Yeah, so I want to talk a little bit about birthday. I am not the type of person who celebrates birthday or any holidays, to be honest. I just kind of feel like, to me, they're all just a day. And there's always tomorrow. And the same old routine and the same old problems are still there. And also, whenever I'm celebrating birthday, I feel awkward. Like the other day at the office, well actually yesterday at the office, my colleagues bought me a cake and they surprised me. They pretty much ambushed me with the cake and the birthday songs and the birthday wishes, the whole shenanigans. I appreciate that, but at the same time I'm just kind of feel like it's really awkward and I never know what to say for the wishes, so I kind of just rambled. But God. Okay, so I heard a knock on my door. The host from the Airbnb, they got me a cake. Oh my god. Okay, that's actually really sweet, because when I was booking, they ask you to put down the reason why you're visiting, something like that, and then I put down that I'm here for my birthday and I'm gonna be traveling by myself, so they knew that it's my birthday today. And yeah, they got me a cake. Let me show you. Ta-da! And I think it's only appropriate that I introduce you my favorite birthday song by Lenny Kravitz. This girl needs some rock and roll. Ready? This morning is a special morning. So that's a little Spotify sash. I brought this bath bubble from the Body Shop and oh, it's a heart shape. And in you go. Okay. Drew myself a morning bath. I'm gonna have breakfast with it. This is what I'm wearing today. This top from Zara and a brown, I can't really see the color, but it's a very beautiful, rich chocolate brown color. And I'm ready to check out my beautiful cabin. One last look. Well, look where I am. Looks like a good day to surf. Too bad I don't know how to surf yet. I've got a seafront terrace. This is what the cafe terrace looks like. I mean, I personally would love to sit there. This cafe is like super Instagrammable, so it's popular. A lot of young chicks right here. But I must say they have really nice views, like really pretty. I'm sitting like right there. Okay, so I searched on Google Maps. There is a skydiving center nearby. I'm pretty sure it's not skydiving. Judging from the photos on Google, it's more like a paragliding center. And I'm gonna give it a shot. You know, it's for my birthday. Today is the day after my birthday. And, you know, YOLO. So that was cool. It took like, what, 20 minutes? But it was great. And now I'm heading to the train station. I am heading back home. I think I've done enough. And also the weather is alright. So I was gonna, after the paragliding, I was gonna go to a beach, but it's really gray currently. So I'm just gonna go to the train station and go home. So this will be the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye! Okay, excuse my horrible, shitty face, but one thing I really need to complain is that in a lot of train stations here in Taiwan, there's no vending machine. Are we supposed to just die from thirst? Huh? With the density of convenience stores in Taiwan, there's none nearby the station.